Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have account access and any two-factor method available. Open your email client or webmail and go directly to Settings. Once there, locate Archive, Archived Mail, or an export option. This initiates retrieval. You want to choose the correct account if multiple are present, because archives are account-specific. Make sure to note storage location and file format before continuing. Once done, you're ready to request or view the archived files, so keep credentials ready and stay on this page. You now request or open the archive. Click Export or Download and pick scope, date range, labels, or specific mailboxes, so you only retrieve what you need. Choose format, Mbox for most clients, PSD for Outlook, or compressed ZIP to save space. While exporting, monitor progress and avoid closing the browser or app. Large archives take time. Once the file is ready, download to a secure folder and verify file size and type. Make sure to record where you saved it for the next step. You import or open the downloaded archive. Use your mail client's import function for Mbox or open PSD in Outlook. Browse folders and search for key messages to confirm completeness. Check a few attachments to ensure integrity. If messages are missing, recheck date filters or export settings and repeat export. Once verified, store a secure backup and document the archive location. Troubleshooting tip: if the file won't open, try converting format or use a dedicated viewer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.